All right, so I'm here with social host roomie for season 2, LeeNotNice. How you feeling?
I'm feeling real hungry, you know?
Oh God, Jesus Christ! Like how many months? Oh, so 3 months of the social?
2 months.
Yeah. And finally finished now. Yeah,
finally.
you're happy. You say don't know. You can relax now. No more challenges.
I have to wake up early and them thing there.
Yeah. What would you say was your favorite moment in the house?
Just getting to know the roomies. You know, I knew all of them, but just being around them, just getting closer and connecting to them was really nice.
Did you feel like you were at a disadvantage, like not being Jamaican, like in this reality competition show?
Yes, because I would have won the Cran someday challenge.
Yeah.
Maybe. If I didn't know a little bit more about Jamaican culture.
I wanted to challenge them where they have to go get the bun in one location. Yeah.
Thank God for Chad and look uptown is. He found a nice little bakery in a Barbican.
You see me often, don't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna spot this. So I'm gonna come back on my spot. We have to come to a bakery and we either have to get a loaf of bread for free or at a discount. Can you guys do that for us?
And you poor Chad Lydia straight.
But Chad no better though.
Yes.
Big up to LeeNotNice Bakery. You guys see where we are? You see where we're at?
Look at Chad, we got Barbican.
Instead of bread basket parish,
I thought it just like any farm of
anywhere,
bread
yeah.
from anywhere.
Yeah. And you get over the Tessanne moment now and the love is wicked. Have you gone over that? You get over it now?
I have. I have. Them bash my feet though, I'm not gonna lie. Because, poor Tessanne, I love the same way,
Yeah. So now you know Tessanne is and you know BrickNLace, love is wicked. Okay, what would you say was like the most difficult thing to adjust to like being in a competition show like this right here weekly? I know some people is the idea of like, people are scrutinize them and I watch them week to week. And other people is probably like being in front of the camera.
As in like the viewers?
Yeah, like for you, like what you say, like just shooting the show, like what are difficult?
The challenges, to be honest. I think that was the most difficult part. The viewers, for them part, like they don't know what's happening behind closed doors.
Say I say certain things are going on behind the scenes or we don't know.
I mean, like the fact that I'm not Jamaican.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, they don't know that. So like, they're gonna bash me and say, oh, she from Tessanne, free. So like, that was probably like the only part that was difficult.
Yeah. But it seemed like you have fun, and I realized I think it was a challenge. The DJs, some of the one
that was my
where I feel
part.
like you've got into like you say you feel like all right, I'm in the show,
Yeah, and definitely the creator one too. I feel like I put my all in that one as well.
And that's when I realized, like watching the show, I realized that had the challenges been more suited to that, I feel like I dare say you come alive. Like I never know that before. So like with a creative element, like a year 40, a year era.
Naturally.
Yeah. So I see so now that your angle, the thing now, you're a big brand ambassador for who again in case people don't remember?
Bigger.
Oh wow. No, I appear at this I want to say for them so when you do TikTok dance them and stuff them now. At the bigger What you said yesterday's price is?
Not today's price.
Alright, okay. So we have it here, LeeNotNice, a brand new official brand ambassador, all of these things. Now you feel like you should have placed higher in the content creator challenge between me and you? Yeah, between me and you.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how we don't have to say anything more.
That's 40.
Okay. Right there, so I want you to just tell all the supporters them that been watching you, that just love you. Because I know the people them just like, Wiley, like you the only man vision board. Like how you deal with that love? Because like me I tell you, like from them silly them said Jesus P she that.
Yeah, man. Sometimes not love, it's lost.
So you know the difference, yes.
I know the difference. So just keep them at a distance. But I love all my supporters. Big up, all the time. So
how would you know when somebody like only want to come close to you just because of what them say, like the whole hotness and stuff? Yeah, you must pick up now like from your go so I can spot say I'm gonna stay far from out interaction with you.
Probably all them approach me, to be honest. Like, somebody would probably been like, I love your content so much more than you look nice in Lee. The big difference is right there.
Yeah.
Up front. Yeah.
What's the worst thing that somebody has messaged you that you say, you know what, this is an instant block? Me never entertain this.
You can bleep this?
Yeah, we can bleep it.
I remember I can show you the one.
Oh, Jesus Christ! That bad?
That bad.
Wow.
Beer talking.
Wow.
When would I do it for me now?
Wow. So, what would you like to say to people who have that approach? Just tell them right now.
Don't do that.
Yeah, exactly.
It's scary. It's creepy.
Exactly. You can't have a conversation, say you like our videos and our dancing, tell her so you're okay, but somebody say you're beautiful, right?
Yeah, not talk about my all the time.
Yeah.
You don't even know my
Yeah. All right, so that is it enough for Lee. Like any projects or anything that you would like to share, including like probably like some music videos, like you might go into the artist thing, like a leave featuring one ski mask.
You know that actually like deep down when I was younger, actually wanted to like go in the artist path.
So what stop you? The little tubes of shyness.
Man, I know lyrics.
Come on, man.
I have 0 lyrics.
Listen, I can be a ghostwriter.
We can talk about that later.
Yeah, we can talk about it and work out. You must get some of the money out of the sponsorship. So take care, Lee, and Tata. Take care. I think you were very fun in the competition, and I just hope that you continue to gain more confidence. Come you know, one time Lee couldn't talk, you know. One time Lee never want to talk. I'm gonna say,
trust me.
You are.
One thing I'm gonna say though, social house definitely I'm to speak more, and most never talking in my life.
Yeah. So
I'm
next
not
year,
next
year, a big bad host. You might tell a host more show and stuff. So that more want to see from you now that you realize, say, yeah, man, you can do this.
I couldn't even do this right now.
Confident. So by what we there, 2023.
Yeah.
So by 2025, I just peer chatting Lee go on with probably podcast.
Probably still. Probably not so late.
All right, bye. Bye. Lee, give a piece of the freestyle now. Come on now. All right. Yeah.
If you want,
Yeah.
take
Yeah.
it. But if
Yeah.
just, all right.
Yeah. All right, bye.